What's up, everybody? I'm B with Pray for Snow Auto Detailing, and I am super pumped that you are here with me in the not garage today. We have a little bit different project. We are going to detail the interior of a motorhome. Now, I don't know anything about motorhomes other than I'm pretty sure I can clean what I've been asked to clean. I'm going to do the carpets, because the customer actually purchased some new couches that go right here, and they want to make sure that the carpets are all cleaned underneath it. And then also we're going to clean the cockpit area. We have to put this slide out, which was kind of funny because the way I parked it so it could be flat, I parked it right next to the house on the RV pad, which is more narrow than this motorhome, and I had to get pretty close, but I backed it back out so that we could put this slide out. And then once this slide is out, we will vacuum all the carpets. We'll do the plastics, leather seats in the cockpit, and then we'll wrap everything up with the carpets. We are going to actually clean and extract the carpets last so that we can start in the cockpit area and work towards the back and we don't step on anything. And that will be the final step of this detail. It is going to be super sick, so let's get to work. As a side note, it is so cold. I kind of miss my warm garage. It was 27 degrees Fahrenheit when I started a couple minutes ago. So that's why I have the hoodie on. Here in the cockpit, we have these two leather chairs that we need to clean. We are actually going to use 3D APC, so a degreaser. I'm going to use the steam cleaner on them, being ever so careful, of course, because they are faded. Not faded, they're just dirty. They should be like a beautiful tan color, and they have a tinge of brown to them. I know brown and tan are similar colors, but I think you'll see what I mean as I start cleaning them. I'm going to get them extremely clean, and I have a new leather protection product that I am super excited about. See what I mean? Pretty cool transformation. You. Still need to develop a really cool dance or something, but today is new product day. We have Hydra Leather from Chemical Guys. It is a ceramic-based leather and interior protection product. I have not used it on plastics, but I have used it on a couple vehicles with the leather, and it is awesome. The application process: spray it onto a microfiber applicating pad and wipe off within about 30 seconds. It is super simple. The protection seems great, but it's so new that I can't say that it lasts longer than any of the other products that I've tested, but I do like it. We'll see how long it lasts. To protect and treat the plastics, we're going to use GoPro Pearl, microfiber pad to apply, microfiber towel to level and wipe off. In the tight areas, we're going to use a detailing brush. I may have to do a little bit of plastic cleaning and protection at the very end of the detail, just because I typically do the carpet extraction before, and the carpet cleaner with the drill brush can get flipped up on the plastics and obviously cause rework, which I don't want to do. But because this is a little bit different than a normal detail, I chose the path that I did. We are going to clean the carpets with the Chemical Guys carpet cleaner, the drill brush obviously to agitate and lift anything nasty, and then we are going to use the extractor, the Sandia extractor, to lift all of that grossness, and we'll take it safely to the drain. I was a little bit nervous because I didn't know how well this more home style carpet was being extracted, but you can look and see the finished portions underneath the table and the first half of this cabin area, and then you come down to what it was before. You can tell there's just a bunch of little stains throughout, and up here, I know I did my trees, but it still looks really, really light colored, and I think it's quite a transformation. Another dope example. After, before. On B's ever epic scale of carpet extractions, with 1 being super clean soapy water and 10 being dirty the consistency and of course color of chocolate milk, this motorhome ranks a 5. The only reason it got upped is because of that driver and passenger area, that cockpit as we've been calling it. It was definitely fairly dirty and it muddied up that water a little bit. Do you know what? We're gonna knock it down. Let's go with a 4. It was just below midway. Going to clean the interior glass with Chemical Guys Streak Free, a microfiber towel, and obviously a USB Type-C to HDMI adapter. I would like to take the time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for allowing me to detail your motorhome. Even though this was a first for me, it was a ton of fun to do and a great learning experience. So I hope that you are as pumped with the results as I am. Without any further ado, let's get into B's top 3. Number 3 is the area where the slides go in and out for this slide. There was a black streak and it was pretty stained, but it was able to be extracted almost 100%, which was very cool. Number 2 is the area right back here. The whole purpose of the detail, really, the whole reason the customer brought the vehicle to me was to get this area clean so they could get their new benches installed and know that everything is super clean underneath there and it turned out really, really well. Number one, and my favorite part of this entire detail, was the fact that this was a motorhome. I've cleaned a ton of things in my detailing experience. This was the first motorhome that I have done ever, really, and it was tons of fun. A lot of the concepts slipped right over and easily into doing this detail. It was so sick, and I had a ton of fun doing it. If you are not subscribed to this channel, right over here is a link to do that. If you are, thank you. Really, honestly, I truly appreciate it. Over here is a link to another one of my super sick videos. Click it. I hope that you love it. And of course, if you ever want to detail along with me, all you have to do is go on down and detail that like button. And I will catch you, my friends, on the next one.